As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing my sample that I just got in from a manufacturer. As you guys can see, here's some photos of him wearing it. They look amazing on the video and pictures that he sent. I can't wait to see it for myself. I've been waiting 12 days for these to come in, and they finally got to the door. So let's unbox them. Got my camo sweatsuit sample in from my manufacturer. Messed up on a couple things, so I'm going to order a second sample so I make sure everything's perfect before I order my bulk. But yeah, I'm just going to unbox this for you guys and let me know what you guys think. I gotta kind of make sure that I don't cut the fabric with this knife, so I gotta be real careful. Alright, so here are the pants. They look really good. I mean, the quality is definitely really good. These are 400 GSM. Alright, so you guys can see this inseam is a little tight. I might make this like an inch or two bigger, so it's not like up in there. You guys know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is the close-up. This is the close-up on my logo. Did it 3D embroidered, which looks really nice. Now here are the drawstrings. I don't know, let me know if you guys like these, but I might change them. And here's the tagging, looks pretty good. And then the side of the leg has my phrase, my verse. It says, "Blessed by the comfort of God," which is what I have on the back of my hoodies and tees, which is really nice. This is some really good quality embroidery. Really like. This is the inside, this is some really soft material that they used, and the print of the camo is really nice as well. So these are I'll make sure to try these on for you guys, but these are the sweatpants. As you guys can see, they did really good on these. Alright, as for the hoodie, here's the hoodie. The quality is really nice, as you guys can see. So this is a different hood. This is kind of a turtleneck hood. I'll try it on for you guys so you guys can see, but it's not a normal size hood. But I asked them to not do this, but on my mock-up I forgot to change it, so it's not really their fault. So for my next sample, the hood just like this. I'll show you guys a picture. But yeah, here is my logo on the hoodie. CZY looks really nice. Again, 3D embroidered, looks really good. Here is the print. The camo print looks really good. The pocket and the cuffs also look really good. The quality of the inside is also really nice. I want to try these on, so just let me know what you guys think. Alright, so I just put it on. I put both of them on. They do not look bad at all. I mean, we got a nice cropped fit with the hoodie. Really nice. I mean, it's not too cropped, but it's nice and cropped. Just the hood, it's kind of choking me a little bit, but I'm changing that for sure. It's going to be what I just put on the screen. But the pants are low-key perfect. This right here, just like I said, the inseam and this waistband is a little tight, but I'm definitely changing that. But everything looks good. Let me know in the comments like down below what you guys think, but I think they turned out pretty good. Just a little tweaks, a little bit of measurements and everything I need to change, but other than that, I mean, I think they turned out amazing. Just let me know what you guys think. This is my first quarter drop. Again, shout out to my manufacturer. If you guys have a clothing brand and you guys need a menu, I can definitely hook you guys up with this guy. He's amazing. I don't want to gatekeep or anything, so just let me know. Just send me a DM. I'll put my Instagram in the description below. But you guys, I think this is pretty good. But yeah, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. My second sample, I'll make sure to take away this, fix this, and it'll be perfect. I mean, I'll be ready to do the bulk order hopefully mid-February, maybe late February. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. Alright, bro, we just found this abandoned, like, amusement park thing at my mom. There's like a Ferris wheel. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it takes some like cool flicks with this stuff on. Yeah, let's go. I really just want to like hop over and just like get on the things and take some cool pictures, but I just like took some in front of here and then this gate, but it's a really cool place.